After a video with Linus, you all asked for a video with TECHJOYCE, but not in the way you think. In this video, TECHJOYCE and I are teaming up for a doubles match against the champions. And by champions, unfortunately, we are limited to resources such as Angie and Franklin.
What do you think the strategy playing them is?
I'm gonna let you get every shot, and I'm gonna stand in the corner.
I don't know if that's good for me. What do you think their weakness is?
Andre. Just target him, and then you'll take back, so you take all the hard shots.
Okay, good coach. Let's try it.
Keep watching because this is going to be an intense match, but also filled with great tips to improve your doubles game.
Okay, 21 points. I'll bet you money, Franklin. $20.
Oh God. Wait, I'm low-key gonna just rush front, okay?
Yeah.
So you just take that one next time. Oh.
One thing you should do is you should be more aggressive with your choices. Whatever you want to get, just go for it, and I'll get everything else.
Okay. Oh my God.
Nice.
Here's.
Okay. Out. So let me say one thing about mixed doubles. Mixed doubles, it's usually always the girl dictating what's happening. So you have to make the choice, and I will cover you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shit, that's my bad. Oh, $20.
Ooh, nice shot.
Nice. Good shot.
You may think this is going to be an easy match for Joyce and me, but keep watching because I never expected something like this would happen at the end.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. What the hell? That was out. Okay, my bad. Yes. Watch your net. Wow! Let's go! Nice. Oh, my bad. 6, 7. Random man. 7-0. Wow. Okay, let's recoup strategy. What do you want to hunt for more?
I think I should just camp front, right? Like I should be more confident with my front.
All right, then you can camp front more, and I'll make sure to cover forward for you more.
Okay.
Okay. Just really go for it.
Okay. All yours.
Okay. Yes. Nice. Don't worry.
Yours.
Yeah. Oh, what a rally.
Oh, shit.
I know my knee hurts. I'm old. Nice.
Oh my gosh, nice shot.
My knee hurts a lot. I do have a knee injury right now, but I'm not gonna let them know. Yes. Okay, interval strategy. What do you think?
You're doing like all the work. I'm just camping front hard, so that if they like net, I'll just be there.
Yeah. I think it just, the more decisive you are, the easier it is for me.
Okay.
Because it is hard for me to move directions right now.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below who you want us to make a video with next. And make sure to join our YouTube memberships for exclusive content, access to our Discord, and so much more. Now, back to the video.
Yes! Nice.
Nice shot.
Good shot. That's you. You set me up. Ooh, my bad.
Damn.
15, 10. Oh, my knee hurts.
Oh.
Yes! Nice. Good. Good positions. All right, decisive. 15-10. Nice. That's all you, man. You're actually carrying this game.
Ah, no.
16-10.
Good.
Nice. Don't compliment too early.
Oh, you
But pretty
did.
good. All those points won because of your setup. So one thing for here is, yeah, I think you should stay front when I receive too.
Okay.
Short.
Good call.
7-1. What? What score?
2-7.
2-7, okay. Okay, no worries. Ooh, you had it.
Cheers.
Nice. You're actually pretty good at mix. Is this your best category?
I play both, yeah.
Ah.
Mixed and doubles.
8-3.
Oh, why are you so close? Back up.
After the knee pain kicked in, Joyce and I started to make some mistakes, and the unthinkable happened. Franklin and Angie started catching up.
Ah, wait, it's not 4.
So close.
Didn't you just flick her? Oh, no, it is 4. 5-8. 5-8. Okay, so stay up.
Cheers. Nice shot.
Ah, 6-9, okay. Ooh, that's the one. That's perfect. 7-9, good shot choice. Okay, get the net. Wow, different lines you're playing by. 2017?
Yo, back up. Sorry, I thought my racket broke.
Not bad, not bad. Good
So
tempo. Okay, be decisive.
Scary.
Oh, pretty decisive.
Okay.
Okay, that's serve and receive strategy. Okay, so,
No matter what, I just rush up.
okay, this is what you should do. So, I'm gonna push this backhand back. You should come up to the net and cover the straight.
Okay.
Just be really aggressive about it.
Okay.
Ooh, not bad.
That was too slow to that.
Okay.
Oh,
When we're
God.
ahead, it's okay to take a riskier choice like that. So 20 all.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, center. Just stay front and cover your side.
Okay.
Oh no! I screwed us. Okay.
Ah,
Thank you.
Good game.
Give you some of your money back today.